Let's kick it over for our chart of the day. Yahoo Finance's Madison Mills is taking a look at the Thanksgiving trade. Maddie, what is the Thanksgiving trade?
I've got a little bit of a tasty Thanksgiving trade idea for folks listening this morning. This is from the Stock Traders Almanac. It's a technicals fund, and they took a look at the S&P 500's performance since 1950 from the Tuesday before Thanksgiving Day, so today, all the way through to the first trading day of the new year. Stocks go up, specifically the S&P goes up 80% of the time within that range. It goes up by an average of 2.6%. Even better if you've put your money in the Russell 2000, that's going to be an average jump of 3.3% in that same time period. Now, Jeff Hirsch from Stock Traders Almanac was asked about whether or not the year-to-date performance and rally we've already seen could potentially throw off this dynamic a little bit. He said not to worry. We're still expecting to see that lift. Skeptics pointing out the fact that we've seen a fade in some of the names that we've relied on. Your old reliable here, NVIDIA, is down over the past 5 days. So if that trend did continue, you would need to see a bit more of a broadening out to have this play out heading into year end. Having said that, though, today we are seeing a little bit of a change in the sector performance off the heels of that tariff announcement from President-elect Donald Trump on Truth Social last night. We're seeing a lift in some of these chips names like NVIDIA off of that news, and also energy, while those automakers are fading back to the downside. So potentially that election dynamic and the potential policy positions coming out over the next couple of weeks could play into this dynamic. But again, consensus seems to be we've had plenty of elections since 1950, and we've still seen this average return of 2.6% in the S&P from that Tuesday before Thanksgiving to the second day of the new year, guys.
Maddie, thanks so much. Some interesting stats there. We're going to be watching it as we're thinking about what's on the table for Thanksgiving.